trip today. Got the RV hooked up. You can see it back there. Got to deliver it for a rental vacation. Pull it over to the house real quick. Get the last few things buttoned up and ready to go. Alright, we're on the road here. About to jump on I-10, see if we can get this thing up to speed here. Killed it. Well, at least I have an excuse for being slow now. Didn't go too bad. Didn't have a lot of time to video while we were there. It was being dropped off at a farmer's market swap meet, and it was busy and people going around here and there. So we just had to kind of get it dropped off, set up, and get out of there quick and out of everybody's way. The people were ready to get shopping anyway, so it all went pretty smooth. Made one hopefully not too big of a rookie mistake. I was getting all the water hooked up, all the power hooked up, getting it leveled. Purging the lines after it sat. This is the first time we've hooked it up to anything after winter, and I forgot about and it was running the whole time I was doing that. And about 30 minutes after we left, I got a text saying, hey, there's water coming out of the back of the camper. And before I could get a hold of them, they said, oh, never mind, we found it. Well, that sink ran, filled up the gray water, and then started kind of just flowing wherever. I don't know where it went. Told us not to come back, don't worry about it right now. So I'm hoping I didn't mess anything up. That would suck, but well, it happened. The majority of the trip was down I-10 here in Texas. I don't know if you're much familiar with that. Nothing big, no big hills, just rolling hills. As it sits, my truck does not like keeping up with that 75, 80 mile per hour pace. It rather stick around 65, 70 out there, so that's not too bad. Ducked in behind an 18-wheeler and just kept going. I think I've managed about almost 10 miles per gallon over that 150 mile trip or something like that. But not too bad. Like I said, hopefully I didn't mess up with that whole water thing, but we're back, went smooth. Other than my co-driver just showed up to show me everything I did wrong, how I can do it better next time. Right? Yep. Alright, thank you guys for tagging along today's little outing. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more. I got some parts in the mail right now, so there'll be more videos coming pretty quick. Reviews, maybe a little install clip, something like that. But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.